don't have to drive the newest vehicle to enjoy the latest vehicle safety technology. With EchoMaster's MRC WSLP5, you can add a backup camera to any vehicle, even ones without a radio screen. The best part is, it's totally wireless, making the install as simple as removing your license plate. The backup camera is solar powered, so you never have to worry about a charge, as long as it sees the sun every 3 to 4 months. And the camera view will be shown in the included monitor. That can be mounted to your dashboard, and it transmits 30 to 50 feet, so this kit is great, even for large SUVs and trucks. Once installed, the sun will power up the camera, but for initial setup, we've included a USB charging cable to get the camera fully charged prior to installing on your vehicle. You'll want to charge the camera fully, then pair the camera to the monitor to ensure everything is working properly. Push the power button for the camera on the bottom of the bracket to turn the camera on, and now you're ready to get started. First, simply remove your license plate using a screwdriver. Now place the camera behind your license plate, and using those same screws, reattach the license plate with the camera behind it. There are screws on the camera so you can adjust the angle of the camera up and down to get the view just right. So simple, you're almost done. Next, you want to place your monitor in the vehicle, in a spot that's easy for the driver to see but not obstructive. Clean the area that you'll be placing the monitor and tighten the knob on the base to lock it in. Plug the monitor into your 12-volt socket to power it up, and you are ready to rock and enjoy your safer ride.